Hello and welcome to this Dogecoin market update. On the DOGE chart, we are continuing to track an ABC structure to the upside that has been in development since the October low. This structure consists of an A-wave advance, a B-wave correction, and now a potential C-wave higher. Based on the current data, the first ideal target for the C-wave is around 26 cents. This level aligns closely with the October highs and represents the 100% extension, which is a typical and technically sound target for a C-wave. Confidence is still moderate at this stage, but this move represents the first meaningful upside momentum and reversal attempt since the October pullback began. For now, the working assumption remains that Dogecoin is forming an AB setup followed by a C-wave advance, which should unfold as a 5-wave impulsive structure. Wave 1 may already be complete, although it is still possible that price makes one additional marginal high before transitioning into Wave 2. The upcoming pullback will be important, as it should reveal whether bullish momentum is strong enough to take control. It is also possible that Wave 2 has already started. Because of this uncertainty, the key support zone for Wave 2 is already defined. The primary support area lies between 12.2 cents and 13.8 cents. As long as price holds within this zone, the bullish structure remains valid. Zooming into the smaller structure, the recent move can already be interpreted as a completed 5-wave advance, followed by an ABC corrective sequence. Alternatively, price may still be working on the final portion of Wave 1. In either case, the focus remains on how price behaves during the next pullback. If Dogecoin pulls back and that pullback remains corrective in nature, the key levels to monitor are 13.8 cents, 13.3 cents, 12.9 cents, and 12.2 cents. A 3-wave pullback into this support area followed by a clear 5-wave impulsive reaction to the upside would be an encouraging signal and could mark the beginning of a stronger 3rd wave. There's also minor structural support near 14.3 cents. Although this level is not supported by Fibonacci or Elliott Wave analysis and should be treated as secondary. In summary, Dogecoin remains in a developing bullish corrective phase. The upside target near 26 cents remains valid as long as price holds above the 12.2 to 13.8 cent support zone. The next pullback and subsequent reaction will be critical in confirming whether the bulls are ready to take the lead.